Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is just another quick one. I just want to say thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. I absolutely can't believe we've already made it here. And to top it all off, we've hit 50,000 channel views, which is just absolutely incredible. I didn't think I would get this far, I'll be real with you guys. But yeah, I think, I can definitely at least be put on the map a little bit as a bit of a ballad song YouTuber. But, I also want to do stuff that isn't just ballad song stuff. So I may be making videos about that, at some point, just kind of hit or miss whenever they kind of come about. Can I do boot and then boot? Not really. But, yeah, so thank you guys so much. It means so much to me. Each and every one of you, I appreciate you so much. Because, I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. I mean, you guys are basically what motivates me. And some of the support I see, it's very exciting. I have no words for it, really. Nearly just cut myself there on the sickness. Also just a little update on the sickness. I know it's not been on the channel in a little while. I'm actually, at first I wasn't really enjoying this thing, but now that I've actually spent a good amount of time, I think that's one of the things with the grails. You really have to spend like a fair bit of time with these things to kind of do it. I've tested out the trainer blade, and it's a bit of a pain to tune it. It's a bit of a pain to tune the trainer blade. And I actually had to tune this a little bit because one of my handles had tap, just stock, and now we should be all good. At least with the live blade. With the trainer blade, it's still, the Zen pins basically squeeze on it too much. Yeah, but you will see the trainer blade of this guy at some point on the channel. And we will do a comparison between, this guy, trainer blade, and the Serif trainer. Just to kind of grail trainer off, if you're planning on getting one of these as a trainer, because I'm pretty sure LDY now sell, like, the blades in, like, packs or something. They've changed how they sell blades. And I kind of really want the buoy one, just to see kind of how it flips. But yeah, anyways, other than that, I've really been enjoying this. And yeah, just to kind of say again, thank you guys so much for 500 subs. Like, this is a big number, this is halfway to 1,000. I can nearly monetize my videos. Annoyingly, might not be seeing too many new ballad songs on the channel just for, sustainability reasons and finances. I'm back in uni now. And it's not good for your wallet, right? So whilst I was I'm still working, but obviously I cannot work with the frequency I was before. And so maybe super top-end ballys, are not necessarily going to be like a main staple in terms of, every few weeks there's a new grail or something. But yeah, maybe to counteract that, I might, open some sort of Patreon or something just before, like, I unlock subscriptions and YouTube members and stuff. Before that, just because... if you guys want to see new content and you're happy to help kind of support the grind of content, I'm even happy to kind of dictate what ballad songs you guys see next, for you to let you guys dictate what kind of ballad songs we see next on the channel. Yeah, just kind of, I'm just kind of brainstorming at the moment. Maybe I'll release merch at some point or something, just because obviously I need to get the finances of the channel up at the moment, because I'm X amount of money down. If you know, please don't say it in the comments. Actually, no, I'm not that bad. Not that much down. I don't have really any regrets with my collection as it stands. Then again, I don't have that many bellies at the moment. But yeah, just getting stuff for the channel, it's expensive. And so that's why I'm just thinking, I'm kind of brainstorming. But at the moment, the best way you can support me is go check out my music down below. Even if it's not your kind of thing, just give it a couple streams, Spotify, iTunes, it's on everywhere, Amazon, whatever you use, right? Tidal, whatever you use, if you want to support me, that's probably the best way to do it at the moment. Give my Instagram a follow, new music should be coming soon. Yeah, just check out the links in the description, really. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. And yeah, thanks again so much for 500 subs. Leave a comment, leave a like, leave a subscribe down below. Let's get to 600, let's get to 700, let's hit 1,000, and 4,000 watch hours. So that we can, get some monetization, get content really flowing on this channel. I want to be one of the not necessarily the main staples, but I want to be a pretty reliable kind of metric for battle songs here on YouTube, just kind of on the internet in general, right? Because I just think it's a pretty cool space to be in. Yeah, and it's just like, I'm lost for words, really, guys. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one, and also I'm testing out 0.5 camera. What do you guys think about this? Let me know if you've even made it this far. If you made it this far, definitely drop a like, definitely drop a subscribe. You know, you guys are my favorite. You know, the ones that have come here. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one, and which should be, what day is it today? Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't know what day it is today. Whenever the next video drops. Peace.